Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5077181 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to click on pause update over here. Click on pause. This may take some time, and once it is paused you can resume updates and then you can check. Now once done you can resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on Restart. Now once done, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on Restart. And then find App Readiness. Make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on Restart. Now you can go back and then you can, if you see retry option here, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, and once this third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. In my case it's version 25H2. Check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. For me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. Windows 11 version 24H2 x64. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. Now over here you have to click on KB5077181 and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down here, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. So once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11 So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.